Here is my RingCentral admin portal. I'm logged in as a super admin, and this is the main place I will go to make changes to my overall company telephony setup. I can also make changes from my mobile phone RingCentral softphone app. Let's take an example where my company are suddenly having a high volume of calls coming in, which are all relating to the same problem or issue, or maybe we're just having a lot of people calling in with the same question. I want to reduce this volume of calls by quickly and responsively changing my IVR menu greeting so that when people call in, this issue or question can be addressed straight away. So here are my IVR menus. You can see I have a number of different ones that I've created that I have saved here, and it's very easy for me to go in and activate different menus or see what menus I have available to me. So if I have certain greetings I want to use maybe at different times of the year, I could easily pre-create these and save them so they're ready to use. So here are my IVR settings. I can see which IVR menu I currently have active. I can also see what's happening during out of hours. In this case, I just have out of hours calls routing through to a voicemail, but I could also activate my out of hours IVR menu instead. So I'm going to go into the visual IVR editor now. This is the best place to make changes to any of your existing IVR menus or if you want to make any new ones. The visual IVR editor makes it very easy and intuitive to make and change menus. So here is my usual welcome message. I'm using a text-to-speech prompt here. You can also use recordings. In the case of wanting to have a really quick change to a greeting, like the scenario we're going through now, using text-to-speech is probably going to be the quickest option. So I'm going to add something to my existing greeting. I'm going to add, if you're calling about problems accessing your customer account online, please note that we are aware of this issue and our support engineers are working on resolving this as soon as possible. If you would like a follow-up call once this issue has been resolved, please press 5 to leave us a voicemail. Otherwise, and then I'll just continue with my usual menu. Now that I've updated my greeting, I need to add the additional option that I mentioned here. So I mentioned that they could choose to leave a voicemail if they want to have an update later when the issue has been resolved. So I just need to add this voicemail to the menu options now. Once I've saved this IVR, that IVR is now live. This menu is now active and any new callers that are coming through are going to get this new message and this new option as well, hopefully reducing the volume of calls that are going to come through to our call queues. If I go into my IVR settings here, I can see that this has now been updated.